In this lesson, I will explain to you dot plots. First, we will discuss the definition of dot plots, and then we will make the dot plots. I will show you how to make the dot plot in statistics. So dot plots are a visualization of data which can give information about the frequency distribution of the data. See, focus is on the frequency distribution. This is another way how you can distribute the frequency in dot plots. A dot plot is a statistical graph, right? You will make a horizontal line, and then you have to find out the lowest value and the highest value. Suppose the lowest value of our data is 10 and the highest value of our data is 100. Now we can make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on till 100, and then we have to divide the frequency or distribute the frequency on this horizontal line. Suppose if the number 20 comes, so we have to put a dot here. As the name indicates, it is the dot plot, so you have to put one dot. The second frequency is suppose 30, you have to put one dot. Next is suppose 55 or whatever, you have to put a dot here. Again you have 20, then you have to put dot above it. If you have a 20, then again you have to put dot on above another, and here if you have a 30, you have to put dot on the top of the first dot. You cannot put here on here on the other on the top of the first one. So a dot plot is a statistical graph chart in which each data value, you have to consider each and every data value is plotted as a dot above the horizontal axis. This is the horizontal axis and you have to put a dot, right? If the data value occurs more than once, just in the case of this I show you 20, 20, 20, the corresponding points are plotted above one another. So here I have made a very simple example for you. These are the ages of the teachers. So first you have to make this horizontal line and then find the highest and lowest. So the lowest age of the teacher is 23 and the highest is 65. Right, so we will start from 20 to 80, that is fine. So first is 25, you have to put a dot in 25. Then is 45, then you have to put dot on 45. Then is 30, so 30. 56, then you have to put dot here. 25 here. 45, 45, see, above another, here 45, here 45. We have here 45 as well, we have this 45 as well, we have this 45 as well. So you have to put dot above one another. You cannot put here and here, and this is the explanation of this. If you have a value occurs more than once, the corresponding points are plotted above one another, right? So similarly, you have to take each and every data value and you have to put a dot at the end. You have to make a conclusion on the basis of this plot. So we made conclusion that teachers who has 45 year for age, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 teachers who has 45 years of age, right? I hope this simple dot plot is clear. If still you have any question, please write down in comment section, and thank you so much.